All right, as part of the court process, you have the arrest, and then you go before the judge, and that should be what the cop's priority is, putting you before the judge. But the cop that I talked to yesterday, who arrested me yesterday, did not seem to care about that being his priority. Okay, when I told him in the car, because this is away from my cameras, when I told him that ultimately he wants to have me face the judge, he said no. He disagreed and said that he just wants me to obey him, listen to him, or follow his orders, something along those lines. So his priority is a little bit different than what it should be, because he should be having the discipline to work towards getting me to show up, to face my crimes. And when he says that he really only cares more about me just listening to him, that doesn't sound very good. I mean, it sounds like street justice to me. I mean, he could say that, but still, the process in which he's put me through for this is ultimately forcing me to go to court anyway. I mean, the threats about losing my driving privileges if I fail to show up for court or pay the fine. I mean, there's that threat. So I mean, he did say that, but I was a little surprised that he said, after I told him that, pretty much his priority is to get me to court, and he said he was willing to put me in jail because I don't have an address. So that was a threat that I had to deal with, and it was a little concerning. I kept trying to, say I was going to the court. I wanted to settle this matter with the court. I mean, how important is it that I get thrown in jail to ensure that I talk to the judge? And this is like, an early appearance, talking to the judge while in jail, compared to I'm facing a September hearing of some kind. There's they consider more of a priority in jail. But really, I don't think I would even talk to a judge out of jail, because it's more about bail. Jail to bail, skipping the judge part of it to make it more efficient. That's what I think what would happen. I don't know how. I mean, the cop said that I might be spending the night in jail or something. So it's a weird situation, and just based on our conversation, it really gives a strong impression that it's more about feelings than serving justice and a fair, practicing a fair part of the process. It's about feelings, not listening to him. So in ways, he was saying that he didn't feel I was obeying him. He trespassed me for an indefinite period of time out of this park, because of my attitude. So there's a lot of feelings going on with this guy. He's got some emotional issues to work through. So I just wanted to point out that it's a real concern that he's not being so professional about this with the process.